got so and let's get started. So I have to go down to see the thing. Whoa. Yeah, what do you get here? So let's don't
Here,
and send
stop moving.
So where do you open it? Well, I'll do the character after, so yes, get these done first.
And show us what you get.
Oh, so they're only a containers. I might open these at the end of the dresser. That's good. I'm never on tailors. I know we move someone on it. More my tailors. We give them something later. Can we just pack it in?
You think you get 5 containers, do you?
Container. 15 I think that it's quite 5 because it doesn't look like 5. Yeah, so I think that's it. So yeah. Not really. Okay, what's the little thing? I have to open this side. I don't know. Okay. So they're a really big one. Look at it. They're a container. So cute.
He's alright.
He's so good. She's so cute.
She's really nice. Press it back.
She.
No, Leon.
Some of them too. No. Please. I got some sunglasses for her. This is my doll, and I'm going to show you the 3 more items. So, yeah, let's get this over. Some shoes. I love these. So, let's get this on. Okay, there. So
That's cool.
I'm gonna put my other 2. Okay, I'm gonna try and get this open. I got a comb for her hair.
That's really nice.
So
Cool.
and then the last thing is, I don't really know what this is, but also it could be tambourine thing.
So what are you going to say before we go now?
Rate and subscribe and give a big thumbs up and bye.